Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be sharing how to make the Nigerian party jollof rice. Let's get down to it. So I perfectly seasoned my goat meat with thyme, onions, seasoning cubes, salt. So you can actually make use of any seasoning of your choice. I set it on fire and allowed to simmer for a few minutes. Yes, and here it brought out all the juices in it. So these are my scotch bonnet pepper and habanero pepper. I sprinkled oil and set in the oven. Then I had to go back and take on the meat. So at this point I had to add enough water to cook the meat to tender. So next up I went back to the peppers and flipped to the other side. And here it is all done and looking nice. So I put in a blender and blended it with some onions. Yes. So after blending, then I begin the cooking. So next up, you set your cooking pot on the fire and allow it to heat. Then you add oil. Yes, you add enough oil to the heated pot. And then your onions. I went in with some onions. Stir to combine and allow to simmer for some minutes. Let the onions release all its flavors. Yes, and then I went in with some ginger and garlic, chopped ginger and garlic. I added it to the mixture and stirred to combine. So after adding the ginger and garlic, up next, add enough thyme and curry powder to the mixture. Yes, this is the base to the perfect Nigerian jollof rice. Do not skip this part. So while this is going on, I quickly checked on my rice. I soaked it in hot water for 7 minutes. Yes, because this is a hard rice, so I had to soak it in hot water for 7 minutes max. Then I washed it out. So next up, I went in with my tomato paste. Yes, make sure to stir it properly. Dissolve the tomato paste into the mixture and stir and keep frying and stirring until it dries up. So keep stirring until it dries up. Now here is the perfect mixture you're looking for. Here is the perfect mixture you need to make the Nigerian party jollof rice so it doesn't slap. So next up, you go in with your blended peppers and onions. Then you stir to combine. Stir to combine to the mixture. Keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. So once the tomato mix is dried up, you go in with your spices. Go in with any spices of your choice: thyme, curry powder, seasoning cubes, salt, and any other spices of your choice. So you stir up all the mixtures. You stir them together to combine. You keep stirring so it doesn't burn. So I added a little water to ease off the sauce so it doesn't get burned. Then you keep stirring and then cover your pot for a while, and look at that. So I opened it. As you can see, the oil is already floating at the top of the pot. This is when you know that your sauce is ready. So I had to stir it more because it's almost burning. I had to stir it more. Next, I added the meat stock to the mixture and stirred to combine. And then I added more water as well to the mixture and stirred to combine. At this point, I had to adjust with more salt and seasoning to taste. Next up, I went in with some bay leaves. Please do not skip this part. This is what makes the perfect Nigerian jollof rice. Do not skip the bay leaf. So I added the bay leaf. Sorry, I didn't record that part. As you can see, the bay leaves are already floating on the oil. So I covered the pot and allowed the mixture to get to a boil. And this is what we have. So next up, I poured in the washed rice into the mixture and stirred that up to combine. I stirred and mixed it up properly. So now this is what we have. Nigerian jollof rice does not require much water. So you have to check your rice, know if it's a hard rice or a soft rice. So you add water accordingly. Just make sure the water at least past the rice, the level of the rice. So after mixing, I covered the pot and cooked on a medium-low heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then this is what we'll have. So I opened to check on the rice. Then I adjusted with a little bit salt. Then I added my onions because Nigerian jollof rice really requires onions. So my foil pepper finished. I had to improvise. Yes, I used this nylon to cover the lid of the pot so as to trap the steam to the rice. Yes, this is the final thing to do. So I used the nylon to cover the lid of the pot and trapped the steam to the rice and reduced the fire to the lowest so that the jollof rice will cook gently with the steam. Yes, this is the way to get the actual Nigerian jollof rice. So here you have it, guys. How does this look? And the aroma from my kitchen was nose blinding. Yes. So adjust with more salt and seasoning if required. Yes, this is the perfect time to do so. And then close the pot and allow your jollof rice to dry up. Make sure it dries up properly and leave it to burn for a bit. Yes, let it burn to release that smoky flavor so you can have the perfect smoky Nigerian jollof rice. Just allow it to burn for a little bit and here you have it. Then I served my husband and my husband really enjoyed this jollof rice because jollof rice is actually his favorite dish and he always looks forward to me making this Nigerian jollof rice. I paired the jollof rice with goat meat and some fried plantains. Yes, so please, if this video was helpful, please do well to give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section if you would be trying this recipe. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next one.